Hi, I'm Christina.
Hi, I'm Steve.
I'm Anthony Beza.
I'm Chuck.
My name is Jose Martinez.
Hi, I'm Zeke.
Hi, I'm Michael.
Provides opportunity for technical graduates with zero field experience, a place to start where they can quickly learn and advance and have someone who can help them along the way.
We want to bring people in, provide them the training and best practices, and have those people take care of our customers.
One of the things I would always tell my students back when I was teaching was that you're never going to stop learning. And I feel like this company really sets the example for that. Every single day there's always something new that we can sink our teeth into, so to speak. There's always something new that we can really figure out, learn, and be able to share with everyone else.